now for a look at the weather, here's Dan Baumgart.
Well, 50 degrees plus today. It looks great, but the weekend's going to shape up to be a little cooler. So if you can get through the weekend, we'll head right into the next week with a little warm up again. Take a look at our almanac. Our normal high for today is 35 degrees. Low of 16 is normal. Our record 67 degrees back in 1964. Our record low minus 13 in 1913. Our sunrise at 6:32 a.m. after sunset at 5:47 tonight. Currently it's sunny, 50 degrees, really warm out there. Dew point of 24. Our winds are west at 10 miles an hour. Our barometer is falling, 29.92, and our overnight low was 32 degrees. Very, very warm. And due to this warming is due to two main weather systems on our map. These weather systems are a low over in northeast Canada, which is draping down a cold front through the state of Wisconsin and Minnesota. This cold front's got some cooler Canadian air behind it, but what it's doing is it's holding off a little bit today, which we didn't predict it would do, and it's drawing up south air, which is more warm and more moist. But these clouds are only high cirrus clouds, which really don't bring any precipitation with them. Another band of clouds is down in the southeast. These clouds are due to a cutoff low pressure system, which we call, because it doesn't move fast. As it slowly progresses off to the east, it's bringing 1 inch and 2 inch rains to parts of Tennessee and Georgia and Alabama, and maybe it'll bring some precipitation to Florida, which they really need because they're in a big deficit of rain, and they have a lot of rations down there with the rain. This clouds up here associated with that cold front that's slowly progressing down. This cold front will pass through sometime tonight, changing our winds over and also increasing our winds. So what I look for Saturday morning is this high sinks down behind the cold front. It's all the way down through the south now, and this cutoff low is more or less off the east coast, and here we see some rain. Hopefully it will rain in Florida, but for us it means some cooler temperatures, but it looks like maybe high clouds again, but nothing in precipitation. So it looks like a nice weekend if you're going to go out and do something, but a little cooler than today, not quite so warm. So by Saturday afternoon, though, this high is going to move over us, and nothing better than a high pressure system over us for the weekend. No clouds in our area. And as it moves to the east, it's going to switch our winds around to the south, bringing up warmer temperatures for Monday and Tuesday, which really is going to make a nice week next week. But what we have to look for is this low pressure system off to the west, which is slowly going to move eastward. It might bring us some little snow flurries or maybe some rain in Wednesday or Thursday of next week. Our highs on Saturday afternoon, very nice down in the southwest, but again, with that high, you have to have the cold temperatures, but we'll have the sun out, so it'll seem a little warmer than that. But as we move towards Monday, these temperatures are slowly going to rise up and really make a nice day for next week. So what it seems then for coming up is tonight it looks like increasing winds and cold, a low of 12 degrees. Saturday, mostly sunny but cooler, high of about 30 degrees. Saturday night, fair skies but cold, 11 degrees. And Sunday, as we get into that warming, a high of 36 degrees.